Welcome to the GEMLINK app. Looking to add a new device? Simply tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom left of your screen and select Add Device. Don't see your GEM device listed? Ensure it's plugged in and in Bluetooth range and hit the refresh icon at the top right corner. Your GEM device should pop up on the screen. To claim your GEM device, tap on it and enter the unique code found on a sticker or QR code on the back of the GEM. Give your GEM a name and press Claim. On this page, you can select the appropriate plan for your device. The plan supports up to 30 users at no cost. For more than 30 users, a monthly or yearly subscription is required. Now let's connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Simply tap on Scan for available networks. Once you've found your network, select it and enter the password. Once connected, your GEM device will be online. It's that easy.